what's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. It's another install day. Today we're going to do an install on the L-Track Pro. This is our L-Track that we manufacture. This particular install and piece is made to go in your Storyteller above your sliding door here, and it gives you access to be able to hang things, mount different things, mount a mirror on here when you're getting ready over the sink, etc. It's a really super easy install. Let's get started. So basically you have this kit, you'll have these two bullet point balls right here. You can add more pretty much anywhere that you want, but it comes this way with the two. And then you also have 4 screws, and you're going to need a drill or a screwdriver. I've already had mine mounted up here for months, so I'm just going to follow those same holes. But generally speaking, we want to go all the way to the top, and I like to center it on each side. So this is just centered, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get this started, and I'm going to go right back into the same holes that I had prior. And again, you don't want to over tighten it, because you over tighten it, you're going to strip it. So you just want it nice and snug. We've had this now for 5 years. Since 21 we came out with this, and it's been so nice to have. We used to have spacers underneath, but now that we're manufacturing everything ourselves, we cleaned it up, made it a little bit stronger. And then this one right here, nice and snug. So that's it. That is probably one of the easiest installs that we have. We use just the right length screws, so you're not worried about any of your wires that are back there. So super easy, super clean install. And then that's it. If you've got any accessories, you can accessorize it with little hooks. Like I like to put my jackets. So if it's raining or whatever, I just have a nice place I can have my jacket. I can hang towels to dry out right there as well. And then if you got the accessory for the mirror, that's going to go right here. And you'll just take this, tighten it up, and then you just crank that down, and then you have the magnet and the mirror right here. And then now I have a place that I can shave, get ready, and it's really easy there. Also, we sell the one with the wood mirror as well. I really like this system because it's easy. I can pretty much take it outside and shave, or I can just put it right here. It's probably 3 months in here. This has never fallen off before, so pretty solid. I can turn it long ways, or I can turn it sideways, and I can adjust the mirror. So that is our L-Track Pro, meant for the Storyteller or Overland, but you could literally, if you have the space, you can mount this anywhere in any of your vans, any type of van, as long as you have the space. So check it out, canyonadventurevans.com. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll come out with more products, and we'll also see you on the road.